I'm Matt O'Connor. I work at Sentient Digital, which is a web design agency. We specialise in making websites that convert and generate revenue. I had a one-to-one with Ewan, and he was asking me how it's going, am I getting what I want out of it? And I was honest, I was like, not really. Wasn't seeing a massive amount coming back out. Wasn't seeing a lot of people going out of the way for me. So then they asked me what I was doing. We went through what I did, and it became pretty clear why I wasn't getting anything out of BNI. So I changed that around, started to have a lot more one-to-ones, started to actively go through LinkedIn and find people's stuff, or go through my contacts on Facebook, or go through my phone and just see whether I knew these people or similar people. And yeah, I started to give out some decent referrals then for what people were asking. I got a bit more confident with my 60 seconds because I was a bit clearer on what I wanted. A couple of weeks down the line, one of the members was like, you've been asking for marketing managers. Marketing manager Reebok's looking for an agency to help them out. Perfect. So we pitched, didn't get anywhere. Then we used the same method to directly message them. Next thing you know, they were on board. If you put effort in and you give, you will get out. It doesn't come to you. You can't rest on your laurels and think that because you're a paid member and because you turn up every week that it's going to work. A car doesn't go anywhere unless you press the accelerator. Starting the engine isn't enough. Filling it with petrol or diesel isn't enough. You've got to do something else to make it do what you want it to do. And I think the thing I see a lot, or have seen a lot with newer members, is that they join, they pay the fee, and they think it's going to work for them. They think that's all it needs, and the lead's going to come through. And they think that if they ask for somebody, they'll get it straight away because it's BNI. Why wouldn't it? Don't rest on your laurels and get involved. The more you can speak to your fellow members, the more you can prepare. And I'm not talking massive time, an hour a week, just to prepare what you want. Look for a lead for somebody else. Don't assume that somebody else in the room is going to go out and look for leads for everyone. Bring it back to the room. Keep playing it forward and act as a team. There's too many me's in BNI, I think, sometimes. And when you get rid of that mentality and you become a team and you start working with each other, then that's when you start seeing the return. That's when you start seeing the reward. And that's when you forget how much your membership was for BNI because it's working. So yeah, that'd be the key to it for me. So if anyone's interested in finding out more about Sentient, you can go to our website, which is www.sentientdigital.co.uk. We've got a lot of case studies, a lot of articles on there about our industry, what's going on. You can find me on BNI Connect. I'm more than happy to have a one-to-one or speak to anyone. More than happy to tell you more about Sentient or more about BNI.